Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how to contact Instagram support. So let's dive in. First of all, just go on top right corner, click on these three lines. Okay, wait for it to load. Scroll down to the bottom, and here under more info and support, you will see this option help. Just click on it. Okay, now click on report a problem. Alright, now you can also just shake your phone, go back to where you saw the problem and just shake your phone. So when the problem occur, just shake your phone and you will be able to send a message to Instagram. Now I'm gonna send a message without shaking the phone, so just click on report problem without shaking. Okay, and now click on include and continue. Okay, here you can write whatever your problem is. For example, I'm gonna write, hi Instagram support, my reel and post section is not working properly. Please look into this and fix it ASAP. Okay, now make sure you are providing a screenshot by clicking on upload, and just provide the screenshot and make the circle where the problem is occurring. After that, just click on send and you will receive your message when Instagram will solve the problem. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.